Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you if POCO C75 has an LED notification light. No, POCO C75 doesn't have an LED notification light, but if you really need that, you can set the flashlight to flash whenever a notification arrives. So to set it, go to Settings, and then go to Additional Settings, Accessibility, Hearing, Beam for notifications, and now enable camera flash. I'm gonna present how it looks. Whenever you receive a notification, you will see a double flash like that. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.